This is Eric with Corvias Maintenance. Today we're going to talk about your garage door if you actually have one. There's a lot of confusion sometimes on how to open and how to treat the garage door. The garage doors, some have a different mechanism than this, but they all operate off of a key system. So how you would lock this particular door, you would turn this all the way up to the right, and then your key, which is going to lock it, and then your key is going to cause this lever to drop. Then you'll be able to open it fully. Now notice that I was very gentle in lifting this up. You do not want to put an excessive amount of force, and you will actually cause damage to the door and cause some of the components to come off. The same is going to go for when we shut it. We're going to put an even amount of force downward, but we're not going to shove it downward because it will also cause damage. So let's go inside and take a look at the inside mechanism. Now, in order to lock this, you have to push this lever all the way until it clicks. Now you have a lock on both sides. Now, in order to unlock it, it is this right here, this little tab lifted over to your left, and it's called you lift up. Again, using just a fair amount of force, but not excessive. You don't want to go in backwards and pulling against the springs because it'll also make it go forward and it could come back down and cause injuries. If you have any further questions about your garage door, please call your neighborhood office. This is Eric with Corvias Maintenance saying, see you next time.